Hello and welcome to this new video on how to get emails from TikTok. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your TikTok application. It is available in both Play Store and App Store in mobile phone, and Microsoft Store and Apple Store in your PC. And you can just go to the search bar in your PC and type for the TikTok, search for the TikTok and open it. And in order to get emails from TikTok, you just have to create an account in TikTok by using your email. And when you have created your account using an email instead of any other options provided to you during your sign up process, then whenever there is a notification or there is a news or things that TikTok wants to provide to you or information that TikTok wants to provide to you, then they will contact you through your email. So in order to get email from TikTok, you have to create your account using an email instead of your phone number, Facebook or any other things. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.